I'm puffing on a cigar, lighting up some fireworks. It's a good night.
Yeah, life could be worse.
What?
Figure this shit out for me.
Dude, there's a fuse on there that has a sticker over it. Pull the sticker off, the fuse will come out.
Hey,
Stay back.
Stay back.
Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
No. Hold on.
When you guys are ready, say so. When you're about to light it, say so.
When we start running,
I know, I'll light it.
let's go, noob.
I'm working on it.
When he starts running, I'm running as well.
Videotaping?
Running.
When people start videotaping, that's when bad things happen.
Yeah.
Time to run.
I'm not, I'm just fucking making sure I
It's okay, I'm pointing it at Steve though, so only bad things will happen to him.
I'm running.
Alright, I'm good.
All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go.
Time to run.
run.
Are you fucking kidding me?
That was pretty dope.
That was fucking awesome.
Yeah.
That was fucking awesome.
That was $1,000 retail of fireworks.
Yeah. $1,000 well spent. Yeah, very well spent.
You gotta put that on YouTube.
Yeah, fuck.